why you should take decisions early. So in mutual funds, if you see, if you do 25,000 rupees SIP every month for the next 12 years, and with the return of 15% calculation, you can see here total your investment is 36 lakhs, and total wealth created is 1 crore. So to meet first 1 crore, it takes 12 years time. But if you want to achieve another second crore, you don't need to invest the same amount of time, because 12 years is very long period. But within 4 years, that means in 16 years, you can meet approximate 2 crore rupees as a goal. And after that, you don't need to even spend 16 years, that means another 4 years. You just need to spend 3 more years, that means 19 years. If you see, 3 crore goal is very much easy. If you see later, by just increasing 2 years, here 21 I am keeping, so 4 crore goal could be achieved. And later on, if you see, every 1 year you are going to make 1 more crore. So if you want to invest in equity markets, you better start early and better start big, so that you can reach your financial goals early. You can plan for your early retirement, you can plan for your kids' education, you can plan for many other things easily.